I decided to make these little Christmas tree hand soaps because I had this olive oil infusion with the cedarwood leaves, which I had left over from other project. So here we go. I already have my hard oils melted in this dish. So I'm adding only my liquid oils, which is olive oil, castor oil, and this time I didn't use the neem oil, so just olive oil and castor oil. And the hard oils are cocoa butter and shea butter and coconut oil. And this is my coconut milk, which I most of the times add to my soaps. And also kaolin clay, which helps to give a nice slip to the soaps, and also helps with the fragrance to keep it in the soap and not to be so fleeting. And anyways, this is really nice to make some Christmas treats. I don't know if they will be just gifts for my friends because it's a very small batch, or I will make it also for the sale. I make some essential oil mix with different essential oils. I use a little bit of cinnamon oil in this one, so that's why I decided it to be just a hand soap, because some people are sensitive to the cinnamon oil. Even if I use very little amount, it's still better to be cautious. And in this mix I have many oils from the Mystic Moments. One of them is already oil blend, which is called Woods. But it's my specific essential oil blend. And here comes the scary part of the soap making. I need to gear up for it. I already made my live water before. It's already cooled down. I'm soaping quite cool because additions I'm adding, they are quite tricky. They like to thicken the batter very quickly. And these are our oils. You already saw me mix them. And my live water contains also the sea salt and citric acid. Sea salt for hardness of the soaps and for better molding, and citric acid is to reduce the soap scum and also help to soak better in a hard water, since in Switzerland water is quite hard, even if it's a really nice water, but it is relatively hard, so it's nice to have citric acid in your soap. And if you decide to use citric acid in your soap, you have to watch the videos or find the information how you have to adjust your usage of lye, because citric acid reacts with the lye. So basically you need to use more lye in your live water than without the citric acid. And these are my colors, the zinc oxide mixed with water, spirulina mixed with water, and this is activated charcoal and indigo powder mixed with water. So I am adding more spirulina to that. So I will have the lighter green color and darker green color. And later I will add the zinc oxide also to the green colors, because zinc oxide helps to stabilize the green. Otherwise the green tends to turn brownish and lose its greenness. So these are my colors. And this is my last color. That's a cacao powder mixed with olive oil, and it will be the stem of the tree. If you liked the video, show me a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed and would like to see more videos like this, subscribe. I will be very grateful for that. And I wish you all happy gift making for the Christmas time. Whatever you do, write the cards, bake the cookies, make the cakes, make the soaps, or any other crafts. And see you next time. Ciao, ciao.